Welcome! It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
Stephanie was one of porn's most famous faces during her heydays. It was nominated for the AVN Awards, the Oscar of porn movies. She seemed very comfortable considering her illness and said she was healthy. A Dutch team of documentary filmmakers interviewed her. Jenny Lee was once a world-famous early 90s porn star. After those days of stardom, her life has changed dramatically. She remains living a life of squalor and misery in the sewage tunnels of Las Vegas. A crew of documentary filmmakers who were working on a film about tunnels in the city interviewed the 39-year-old. She was living alongside a few others in a 200-mile-long labyrinth and seemed content. Jenny, whose real name is Stephanie Sadora, was found to occupy a small area of manufactured caves with the bare minimum to get the Mirror reports. Looking visibly different from her glamorous earlier porn avatar, Stephanie was dressed in a jacket with her hair kept short and looked tanned and rugged through years of hardship and poverty. During the interview, she said during her heydays she was a little too successful and recalled the time she was an industry star. I really got very famous. Somewhere I should still be on some list in the top 100. I used to be so hot. Although the circumstances under which she lived at the time and are now diametrically different, she did not seem overly depressed about the situation and emphasized the positive aspects of her life within a close-knit community. In fact, her answers were somewhat philosophical in a way, showing glimpses of people who may have betrayed her during her lifetime and left her in the lurch while she was dealing with many issues. It's not as hard for you as you might think. It's really respectful for everyone. Everybody's good to each other, which I don't think you'll find much, she said. She added, I'm happy. I have everything I need here. People are more accepting underground. When asked whether she wanted a better life for herself and about leaving the tunnels, she said she was not particularly bothered about making it out and asked, why? She added, sure, there's no water. I like that those hardships build camaraderie. I feel like you make more genuine friends, she said. It is not exactly known how Stephanie got to the tunnels, but it is evident that she had been there some tough times. The tunnels were originally used to protect the city against flash flooding, but are now home to a number of homeless people. And one of the most famous faces in the adult industry has been the former porn star, and according to IMDb, was born on February 11th, 1982. Stephanie is from Clarksville, Tennessee, and is of mixed descent from Irish, German, and Puerto Rican origin. She worked as a mainstream model since the age of 19, before storming the world of adult films, and was affiliated with some top modeling agencies in her hometown. She also appeared in TV commercials and became a stripper before entering porn. She was also nominated for an AVN Award, the Oscars equivalent for the porn films, in 2008, and appeared on high-profile films and magazines such as Hustler and Penthouse, before retiring from the adult film industry in 2009. She then concentrated on professional modeling, but wasn't very successful.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.